All right, this is a quick tutorial on how to set up a new page on your WordPress site. Um, so the way we always set up pages is pretty simple. There's always a hierarchy. So if you have packages and then you'll have gold underneath it, if you really take a look at that URL, you'll notice that it's the domain name, packages, and then gold. And same with everything else. You'll see bronze would be bronze here, and same with about, or if you go to about, it'll be just the about page. But then all this stuff underneath it, like the entertainment, would actually have entertainment underneath it. So be aware that when you create an actual new page, you want to think organization and hierarchy. But in order to create a new page, it's pretty simple. You basically, now that you know that you're logged in with these options up at the top, you basically do a new and basically go to post or page, not post, new page, and then you give it a title. And for now, we're just going to do new service, and then we're going to make sure that we choose what it should go under, what it would be packages or menu or events or contact or something along those lines. So we're just going to do a new menu. So actually just um, new food in this case. So let me delete that really quickly. New food item. And then here, this has already been made, so we actually have to change this. So a quick, easy way, if you want this to be mirrored, just go OK, and it'll auto-populate it with new dash food dash item, which is URL approved. Essentially, it's a URL that can be made. Spaces can't be in URL, so it automatically adds that. So again, for SEO purposes, you will want to change this to the specific food item. You'll probably want to give it a location base. Since you guys are located in the Quad Cities, you would want to have Quad Cities here and delivery, or something along those lines. So new food item, along the lines of menu or Quad Cities. Yes, I can actually type delivery or catering, so on and so forth, and basically fill that stuff out. So I'm not going to go into all that right now. Hopefully you do a better job than I did. This is just a quick little tutorial, but anyway, here is where it does matter. I think obviously I already clicked on it, but it does not update here until you basically hit save, or publish in this case. So you can do a quick save the draft, and then you can also do a quick preview to see how things are looking. That opens up a new window for you. So you'll notice that the URL isn't going to show here, and it doesn't even show here as well. So this isn't the best way of doing a preview. It isn't the best way of showing your results. So again, if you just do a quick publish, it's going to show new food item. And if you do food view page, the URL is correct. But again, it doesn't show up here. So you'll actually have to go to your menus. And then from there, you'll actually go to recent, but it probably just a quick search. Sometimes it's easier to find that way. New food. And again, it's going to do a quick search. You do it there, add it to the menu. Always goes to the bottom. And then you basically drag and drop it to where you want it to be. In this case, we're going to put it here. Make sure you hit save. And that will be live as well. But in this case, since we don't want this to go live because it's just a test item, we're going to actually hit delete from this area. We're going to remove that. We're going to hit save. It doesn't really matter. Nothing's changed, so we don't even have to hit save. But then we're actually going to go back to the previous item that I made and end up deleting that as well. So just for the tutorial. All right, and that's it. That's how it is, how easy it is to add a new page and also have the correct hierarchy of that page. Also, some options to look at is here. You'll have sidebar options. So if you didn't like, let me open this in a new tab really quickly. If you didn't like the sidebar to the right, you can actually turn that off. So that is right here. You can have it on the left, you can have it on the right, or you can even disable it. And, pretty much else, you can kind of play around with some of these options as well. All right, so that's it for now.